In a time when online jobs have become everybody's go to thing, there are so many non legit online jobs out there and so many not so reliable online jobs there. And this is the reason why I keep bringing this particular topic on my channel because it's one of the most legit online jobs that you will ever come across out there. Now, all you need to do is just learn a few basics on how to do this, and you are all set into doing your online work from the comfort of your home. Also, the beautiful thing about this particular online job that I'm going to talk about today is because there are companies that hire all over the world for this particular kind of work. There are companies across the world that are always looking for people to perform this specific type of job, and they are constantly looking for people to do it from anywhere in the world. And all you need is a stable internet connection, a laptop, and you are good to go. So you may be asking yourself what this is. Hey there, my fellow Vines remote work seekers and all things finance enthusiasts. Jumbo, welcome or welcome back to our channel. This is where we find incredible opportunities that allow us to break free from the conventional 9-to-5 grind. And of course, I'm your host, Aggie. Today, I have a beautiful one lined up for you. So get ready. I always advise for you to have a notepad and a pen so you can write key points that might be helpful for you during the video. Also, those who might be interested in a resume, I have a template in my description. Kindly check that out. Grab your favorite beverage, sit back, I have mine right here, and let's dive in. So this particular job is transcription, and I know if you're not new to this channel, you've seen several videos that I have done concerning transcription. And the reason why I bring transcription so much on my channel is because I stand by it. I believe in it. It's the one online job that you can always count on. Companies are always out there hiring for different type of remote jobs, but with transcription, you are guaranteed to find a job in transcription any given day. And you may not realize it, but transcription technology likely plays a role in your daily life. And this is according to Verbit. So if you've ever watched a YouTube video with captions or used the speech to text function on your iPhone, you've been using transcription. Beyond these day-to-day uses, transcription is a valuable tool for business leaders, content creators, and other professionals across a wide range of industries. So guys, when I tell you transcription is one of the hardest online jobs out there, and so many people really don't give it as much attention as they should, I cannot insist this enough, all right? So transcription technology is constantly evolving, and professionals around the world continue to find new and innovative use cases for these tools. Of course, at its core, transcription offers an additional or alternative meaning of sharing information from audio or video files, and it can help brands and individuals communicate more effectively with diverse audiences. So the reason why these files are usually transcribed from text to audio obviously is for them to reach a wide array of clients, or a wide range of clients around the world. So generally speaking, transcription refers to the process of converting audio to text, and this is just simply by you listening to an audio. It could be a legal file, it could be an educational file, it could be a medical file, but that one that's in audio format, and then you transcribe that. Basically, you type everything you hear in that audio on your laptop. So a well-trained professional transcriber can capture live communications like conference calls and in-person lectures, as well as recordings. And there are tools like voice to text and speech to text on modern smart devices that are forms of transcription. So tools like voice to text and speech to text on modern smart devices are other forms of transcription. So people do this, and then they're input in these devices for us to use them. And of course, with artificial intelligence, everything is becoming so much more easier to do, and transcription is not left behind. So even these companies that are constantly hiring for transcriptionists have AI-powered tools that help the transcriber's job to become much more easier and much more effective. And of course, a lot of companies will train you in the beginning if you're not familiar with what transcription is, or if it's your first time transcribing, they have a small training session, or a small, I want to say, introductory part that they do with you in the beginning to kind of get your feet wet and to get you accustomed to what transcribing is if this is your first time. So if you're a beginner or an intermediate or an expert, anybody can do transcription as long as you have a stable internet connection and a laptop. That's all you need to be able to transcribe from anywhere in the world. The few steps that are involved in transcribing, obviously the first one is to receive an audio recording or live audio feed. So these companies feed you with those live recordings and audio feeds in your laptop once you get hired, and then the transcriber listens to the audio, and then the transcriber manually types out the every audio element they hear. I mean every audio element. So when they say every audio element, they're referring to the commas, the full stops, the brackets, and this is where transcribing rules come in. So you will find that in some transcription where there are brackets, they don't need you to put brackets per se. They will tell you exactly what they need put in place of brackets. It's different with every transcribing company, all right? And you may periodically need to pause and rewind a recording if something is unclear. So the transcriptionist also reviews the initial transcript while listening to the audio in order to catch and correct any errors. The transcriber then provides the final written transcript to the client for their desired, or rather in their desired file format. And of course, you get paid after you do that. So it varies. If you submit a transcription, a final transcript that is 100% the way the client wanted it, then obviously your pay will be up there. But if it has some errors, then you might lose a little bit of money when it comes to being paid, but you will still get paid as long as the transcription passes their expected standard. So that's what it takes to transcribe. And these are basic audio transcription steps that support a wide variety of content and communications. So this is just general, but with some projects like live streams, they may require additional steps to transcribe. So every transcription format or job is different depending on what the client expects of it. Now, companies that are good at hiring transcriptionists, there is eScribe, GoTranscript, TranscribeMe, Casting Words. Rev is also always hiring for transcriptionists. And with these companies, you can never ever miss an opportunity to transcribe as long as you pass their initial hiring process. So guys, if you're looking for that online legit work, I would suggest you look into transcription, because there is always work available when it comes to transcription. You can become a captioner, you can become a subtitler, whatever job that you may see fit in any of these transcription companies, then you can get hired for it. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope this was valuable to you. Kindly let me know if you're going to be applying for these transcription jobs. And also, guys, kindly leave me a comment and give the video a thumbs up if you did find some value in it. It really does help the channel, and it also helps it to go out to more people. And I could use all the thumbs ups I can get. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me in today's video. And until the next video, stay motivated, stay inspired, and remember, I'm always cheering for you. Thank you so much for sparing your precious time. Your girl Aggie signing off. Kwaheri.